Know what system RAM are you using? Is it DDR1, DDR2 or DDR3 RAM? I mean, what exactly the RAM type you have on your computer system, whether it's a laptop or is it a desktop computer. So let's start. I will let you know how you can recognize or you should know that what RAM type you have on your computer. So first of all, you need to go to the description below and you need to reach on this post. Once you will reach on this post, you can just scroll it down or you can read the article. There is a different way as well, but I'm going to tell you the simple way to check the RAM type on your computer system.
PC Guide for You is here to help you with your issues. For more updates, subscribe now.
System. You can go to the method 2 on this post and you can see there is a software utility that is called CPU-Z, which will help you to recognize your RAM or other features of your computer operating system. So you just need to click on this button, download CPU-Z. It will redirect to the website. Scroll it down and you can click on this setup. This will work on the 32 and 64-bit operating systems as well. Click on it. Then you can click on the download now button and it will download the exe file. It's a very small utility, take quick seconds, and then you can click on it to open that. Okay, then you can click on accept, click next, install it, and you will create a desktop icon. Now finally install. Click on finish button. Now go to the desktop. That will be created an icon for you, and you can see here's the icon. Just double click on this icon and open it up. It will start collecting information of your computer system. Will take quick seconds and it will come up on the computer. This will show you the CPU information, that what CPU you are using. And if you go in the top menus, you have the option of memory. Click on it and here you can see the system RAM type, which is DDR4 that I have. Maybe you should have DDR1, DDR2 or DDR3. It will tell you the RAM size as well, whether it's a 2 gigabytes, 4 gigabytes or 8 gigabytes. Mine is 8 gigabytes. So guys, this is the way you can check your system RAM type, whether what RAM you are using. In case if you would like to increase your RAM, you can check it from here and you can get a new one and install it with the old RAM, so it will increase your RAM. I hope you like this video. Thank you.